Hey guys, sorry if you hear my TV. That sounded really weird. I said sorry weird. But today is almost Friday, it's Thursday. I'm gonna film what I will be doing until school starts. So yeah. Okay, so from my last video, I've been working on watercolor. You can see it, but that was the one I did in the video. This is one I did after. This one's not too bad. This one, the sunset's good, but that one's just not good. I didn't tape it, so. And then I'm gonna draw some because I'm better at drawing than painting. Anyways, I finished for today. So this is the one I chose. Pretty good. That's mine so far. It's not. I don't know what time I started at, but I continued my drawing. I don't know when I started, but it's almost 10. But this is what I have so far. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not great. Like, that looks so much better than mine. But I'm not done yet, but I'm gonna stop for today, so yeah. Okay, I have some exciting news. I just finished it. Oh my god, it actually doesn't look too bad. I mean, you can see the glare on the pencil, but other than that, pretty good. Then I signed it. I mean, it's pretty close. So yeah, I don't know what I should draw next. Okay, I forgot to vlog again because I suck. But, I woke up at like 1:30. I went to my grandma's, did some puzzles. I went swimming for like an hour and a half. I had mac and cheese for dinner. And then I had some Pringles. And I'm gonna have a smoothie, and that's all I've done today. I forgot to film. I look disgusting. But I woke up at like 11:30, and then I went with my mom to return stuff at Kohl's. And then we went to Target and Bath and Body Works, and that's it. So yeah, maybe I'll clean my desk for the vlog. I have nothing else to do, so yeah. I have stuff like underneath here. I have like pictures and stickers if I can get it out. So I think I'm gonna put the pictures in there so they're not in my desk. So yeah. And I'll check in with you because I want to watch I want to watch Hulu. It's like 2. I woke up at 1:30 because I couldn't sleep. I'm gonna go get lunch. Hey, I think it's like 11ish, but as you saw from the clips before, we made the cookies and they were really good. It's like the world's best chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'll link it down below because it's really good. And they weren't too hard to make. But yeah, I haven't done anything else today, so I literally didn't film at all today because I didn't do anything really, so see you tomorrow. I didn't film yesterday, but I'm filming today. Ever since I woke up this morning, I've had a really bad stomachache, so I'm bored. I think I need some water, so I'm gonna get a snack and some water. Okay, so I didn't vlog at all today because I'm just gonna say, since yesterday was day 7, it's the last day of this thing. I technically start school on Wednesday, like online school, and I pick up my books on Tuesday. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos before school starts, and I probably won't post for months, maybe. We'll see how school is.